Hello, good morning, guys.
Good
Hello.
morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Let me share my screen. This my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Previously, we have discussed about how to handle the windows and how to handle the screenshots. Those things we have seen. Today, we are going to see the. Yes, you know how many weight types is there, guys? As of now, we know only one type. Okay, that is thread dot sleep. Yes or no?
Yes,
If
sir.
wait a specific time means I have to go for thread dot string. Okay, if I we have a different types of methods. Okay, that is implicitly wait and explicitly wait also. What are the different methods?
Implicitly.
One is implicitly wait, and coming to second one is the explicitly wait. Okay, in coming to implicitly wait and explicitly wait also, those two are the wait methods. Okay, in those two methods we are going to use for days, months, seconds, milliseconds, okay, hours, like that. We are going to wait. Okay, let me how to create a class. Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay, here
As
I am doing one more wait method that is called as implicitly wait. What is that one?
implicitly wait.
Implicitly wait. And I am enabling public static void main string argument. What is use of this public static void main string arguments? This is a main method. Without this main method, we cannot execute our Java program. So that's the reason I am enabling public static void main string arguments. Clear? And just
Yes, sir.
click finish. Okay. To launch a empty browser, what is the method, guys?
Driver equal to new
Driver
driver.
driver equal to new Chrome driver or Edge driver. Okay. If it is not opening Chrome driver or Edge driver, what we have to do? We have to set a property.
Property.
Okay, we have to set a property. What property? System property. Okay, clear. If it is opening means you not required to give the system property. Okay, to launch
Yes.
a specific browser window or to launch a specific URL, I have to use a driver dot
Driver
get
dot
method. Okay, or we have a one more method. What is that method?
driver dot navigate.
Driver dot navigate dot to. Okay, we have a two methods. One is driver dot get, and coming to second one is the driver dot navigate dot to. Okay, suppose if I want to maximize my browser, what is the method?
Driver dot manage.
Driver dot manage dot window
Window
dot maximize.
maximum.
Okay, this is a maximizing the browser window. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose if I want to find any, I am brushing up the things, right? So why? Because yesterday I did not take the class, so that's the reason I am brushing all the things. Okay, clear. Suppose if I want to find any element, okay, at the time driver dot find
Find
element by dot of, if there is a XPath means I have to use XPath, if there is a name means I have to use name. Okay, if there is an ID means I have to use an ID.
ID.
Clear? Okay, you can take anyone. Guys, understood?
Yes,
Based on
sir.
your identification. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I am going for a login functionality only. Okay, I am going for a login functionality only. Same I am copying and I am pasting here. I am pasting here. Nothing I am doing, guys. Just I am pasting. Remove. Clear? Here, instead of thread.sleep, what I am going to give?
X.
I am going to give a explicitly wait. Okay, that is a one of the method. Okay, is explicitly wait is directly available. It is not directly available. At that time, we have to create one more method like WebDriver wait. Where
WebDriver wait.
WebDriver wait. Okay. WebDriver wait equal to, you can give any reference, guys. Okay. You don't want to give that specific wait. Okay. You can give any method. Okay.
Yes.
WebDriver wait equal to WebDriver wait of what it is saying, driver. On which driver you are going to work?
WebDriver.
Yes.
Like duration. Are you able to see here? WebDriver, this is a driver, it is taken duration.
Yes.
Okay, it is asking duration. Duration means if you want a seconds, or if you want a minutes, or if you want a hours, like that. Okay. What it is asking, duration dot duration of, if you want to go for a seconds. Are you able to see, guys? What are
Yes,
the
sir.
different types of methods? Okay. If you want to go for a days,
Hour.
you can go. If you want to go for a hours, you can go. If you want to go for a milliseconds also, you can go. If you want to go for a nanoseconds also, you can go. Are you able to see? If you want to
Yes,
go
sir.
for a seconds, you can go. Okay. If you want, I don't want to do anything. I want to go for a zero. Okay. I can go for a zero. Okay. But most of the time we'll go for seconds. Guys,
Okay, sir.
understanding? Okay. If you want to go for a hours also, you can go. If you want to go for a days also, you can go. Clear? Are you able to see? Days, hours, milliseconds, seconds, nanoseconds. Okay. Each and everything is available. Okay. If you are using thread or sleep, okay, 3 seconds is nothing but 3000. Okay. Here you don't want to give like that. Okay. If I want to wait for 30 seconds means you can just wait for 30 seconds. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood. Now wait dot until expected conditions. Until expected conditions dot, this is a click operation, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Dot element to be clickable. Okay, we have a different types of methods. Okay, element to be clickable, and here what it is asking, locator. Okay, here I want to pass a locator. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Just pass this locator. Control C, Control V. Understood? Dot, one sec. One second, guys. What happened? What is the error?
E should put it.
One second, one second. Dot element to be clickable. Element to be clickable. Wait dot until expected condition element dot clickable. By dot of XPath. Just to paste this XPath. 1 second, I will explain. Give me 1 minute. Dot, I want to give here click. Yeah, fine. Okay. Here you don't want to write a separate thing. Okay. Here you don't want to write a separate driver dot find element. Okay. Here only it is going to identify. Okay. Previously thread dot sleep means it have to wait until 3 seconds. Okay. Here it won't wait 3 seconds or 30 seconds, guys. Okay. If the element is identified within 1 second means it is going to execute. Understood? If coming to thread dot sleep means it is going to wait, confirmly it have to wait 3 seconds. Okay. Here you don't want to wait for 30 seconds. Clear? If it is identified in 1 second means it is going to execute. Okay. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or WebDriver wait equal to new WebDriver wait of driver. Okay. Duration dot, if you want to go for a seconds, you can go for a seconds. If you want to go for a milliseconds also, you can go for milliseconds. If I want to go for hours, you can go. Clear? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
how to execute a program? Right click,
Run as.
run as Java application. Let's see whether it is waiting for 30 seconds or before that only it is going to execute. Okay. Browser
Yes.
is launched. Maximize the browser. Email address have to enter. Password have to enter. What happened to this? Okay. Okay. Here I will give one wait time. You can give any wait, guys. Okay. That is not a mandatory. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For explanation purpose, I am saying. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Browser is launched. URL is entered. User. See, guys, how much time it took for sign in? Within 1 second only, it is observed. Okay. If I give here thread or sleep, it have to wait for 30 seconds. Understood? The difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write it down. Okay. This is a one of the method that is explicitly wait. Okay. Once it is done, please let me know. Once done, please let me know, guys.
Okay, sir.
Most probably I will start the frameworks from next week onwards, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Practice this all things. Okay. If you have any doubt, okay, any concerns, please ask me.
Okay, sir.
It done. These two lines you have to remember. Okay. As you know, this all things previously discussed only. What element you want to click, that element you have to give here. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go for the explicitly wait. How to create a class? Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay, here I am using implicitly wait. Okay, previously we have seen explicitly wait. Today again we are going to see the explicitly wait. Okay, just I am copying previous one only, guys. Okay, I am going to do some modification, login functionality. Same thing I am going to copy and I am pasting here up to here enough to here. Just copying and I am pasting. Clear? Instead of thread.sleep, what I have to use, guys? This is method is belonging to implicitly wait. Okay. How we are going to handle implicitly wait means driver dot manage dot timeouts dots which wait implicitly wait. This is belonging to implicitly wait. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes,
Implicitly
sir.
wait duration of seconds. Okay. We have to give how much duration. If I want to give 20 seconds, you can give 20 seconds, comma, time unit, dot. If I want to go for a seconds, you can go for a seconds. If you want to go for a days, you can go for a days. If you want to go for a hours, you can go microseconds, milliseconds. Here, microseconds is also is available. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Previously, explicitly wait, there is a no microseconds. Okay, here microseconds is there, nanoseconds is there, milliseconds is there, seconds is available, hours, days, okay, each and everything, okay. Mostly we will go for seconds only. Clear? Okay, it won't wait for 20 seconds. Okay, it is going to wait until 20 seconds. Okay, if the element is not able to find, at that time it is going to throw the error. Clear? Run as Java application. If it is identified in 5 seconds means, okay, it is not going to wait for 20 seconds. Clear? It is waited for 20 seconds for typing the username.
No, sir.
No. Okay. If the element is identified within 1 second also, it is going to pause the script. Okay. Write it down. Okay. That's just one step. Once done, please let me know.
Sir, you have written time unit dot seconds. It
Yes.
is representing the like, 20 seconds, right, sir? Like time.
It will wait until 20 seconds. Okay. If it is the element is not identified in 20 seconds, at that time it is going to throw the error message. Okay. If I give hours also, if I give hours here, for suppose, okay, it will wait for 20 hours. Okay, it won't wait 20 hours. Okay, if it is identified this object in 5 seconds, the script is going to pass. Okay, up to 20 hours it
Yeah.
will wait. After
Okay.
20 hours it is not identified means then it is going to throw the error message. Clear?
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Once done, please let me know. Is it done, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss one more concept, that is file reader and file writer. Okay. File reader and file writer. Okay. Suppose I am going to open one of a notepad. Okay. I want to write something here. Okay. I want to write something test here. Okay. Where I want to write something test? In a notepad. Clear? This is nothing but notepad is nothing but this is a test file. Correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to handle this kind of things by using Selenium. Okay. Now we'll see. Okay. Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay. Create a class. I am going to handle by using file writer. First, I am going to explain a file writer example. Enabling public static void main string arguments. Okay. Now here browser is required, guys. Here to launch any browser is required here.
No, sir.
No. Okay. We have to, instead of browser, what I have to open?
No.
I have to open a file. Correct. What file? I
Yes.
want to write a file. So that's the reason I am going for file writer. Okay. File writer. Okay. I want to write in a specific file. File writer file equal to new file writer.
Okay.
Okay. Now here I want to pass. Okay. Specific file I want to open. Okay. What is my file? What is my file name? I want to create a one file name. Okay. Let me create one file name. Okay. Go to file, under file, save as. Okay. What is your file name? 7 a.m. batch underscore example MD. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Created. Are you able to see? Here it is created.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay. Right click on a properties. How to take this path? Go to properties, copy this location and paste it here. After that, what I have to take? I have to take this name also, do forward slashes dot txt file. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood how to write this one? Path.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, I have to copy the location. After that, file name. After that, extension name. Clear? In
Yes, sir.
this file, I want to write, okay, in this file, I want to write some specific test. Okay. How to write a test? We have a direct method called as file dot write method. What is that one?
File dot write method.
Okay. If I want to go for integer, you can go. If I want to go for a character, you can go. But I am going for a string
String.
value. Okay. I am going for a string values. Okay. You can go for anything else. Okay.
Okay.
Welcome to, I am giving any test. Okay. Welcome to the Selenium. Welcome to the Selenium. Clear? I am giving this test. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
if I, after writing this one, I want to close the file. Okay. We have a method called as file dash.
Close.
Okay. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Run as Java application. Okay. In this file, there is a nothing. Okay. If you open here, in this file, there is a, anything is there in this file?
No, sir.
No. Okay. If I execute this one, it have to write this one. Okay. In that file, specific file. It is completed. Now let's see. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I want to write one more line, how we are going to write?
What's it?
I want to write one more line. How we are going to write? Only one line only it came. I want to write one more line in that one. Again, we have to use file dot write. Okay.
Right.
This is the example program. Now let's see whether it is printing or not. Okay, for my understanding, whether it is printed or not, I want to print in the console. So that's the reason I am going for system.out.println. Written successfully. Where this is going to print and where this is two are going to print.
File dot write going to print in note file, notepad file. System dot out println console.
It is going to print in a console. Run as Java application. It is written successfully in the console. But here also we are going to see. Are you able to see? Is there any difference? Is there?
This is the example program.
This is the Selenium world and this is the example program is added now. But I want a in new line. Okay, I don't want in a same line. I want in a new line. At that time,
/n.
/n. Very good. Okay, /n we have to give. Okay, file dot write /n. Okay, /n is nothing but new line. What is that one?
New line
New
/n.
line. Okay, /n is nothing but new line. It is going to write. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Write it down. Once done, please let me know. Once done, please let me know, guys.
Okay, sir.
କିଛି ପିଇନି କା ସେ କହିବା ବୋଲେ ପିଓ ଜଲଟାକୁ ସାତଟା ବେଳୁ ପିଆଇବା ଅଛି ବୋଲି କାଲିକା ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ତୁ ନେ ବୋଲି ସେତେବେଳେ ସାତଟାରୁ 7:10
You done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, writing the program we have seen. How to read this one, we have to see now. Okay.
Okay,
How to read this one. Okay. Same like that only. I am going to create one more class. How to create a class? Right click on a package. Go to new. Under new, I am going to create a one class that is file reader. Example, I am giving public static void main. What is this of public static void main?
The execution starts from main.
It is going to, without main method, we cannot execute a Java
Yeah.
program.
Yeah.
Is there any browser to launch here also?
No, sir.
Okay. Previously, file reader means I have used a file writer method. Now here I am going to use the file reader. Okay. We have a method called as file reader. Okay. Same like that only, I am going to create one of the method file reader equal to new file reader. New file reader. Same. Okay. Which file you want to read? That file, guys. Okay. I am going to read this file. Okay. How to copy the file? Just copy the location. After location, you have to copy the
Name.
after location, you have to copy the
Name.
okay. Okay, you have to copy the file name. After that, we have to add the extension.
Extension.
Clear? We have to add the extension. Okay, here it is throwing an error message. We have to add throws exception. Throws exception.
Exceptions.
Okay. Here, previously means we have directly used write concept. Okay. Here, we have to read means we have to use one more method called as buffer reader. Which one?
Buffer reader.
Buffered reader. Okay. It is not going to support directly. So that's the reason I am going to use buffer reader file equal to new buffered reader. Okay. I want to read a complete file. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to read a complete file. So that's the reason I am using this buffered reader concept. Guys, understanding? Okay. If I want to use a string wise or if I want to learn a use a character wise, I want to read a line wise. Correct? Guys, I want to read a line wise.
Yes.
Okay. So that's the reason that line is belonging to string value. So that's the reason I have provided here string. Okay. If there is a empty lines, okay, it is necessary to print that empty lines also? It is not required. Okay. If there is any empty lines is available, okay, not required to print in the console. Okay. See here, line equal to file dot file dot file 1 second. Here I have written wrong name. Okay. Here file dot read line. Okay, we have a method called as read line. If it is empty means I don't want to read anything. Okay, just to print null
No.
value. Just to print null value. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, if it is empty means you're not required to read anything.
Email.
File dot read line equal to null. What is this error? Insert null check. Oh, what is that? 1 second. Let me check 1 second, guys. After reading is completed, reader dot close. 1 second, let me check file reader equal to new file reader. 7 AM batch buffered reader file equal to. Hey, here I have to pass reader. Okay. Line. change type to line. Line equal to sorry. One second. Give me 1 minute, guys. Convert cannot boolean to string. Where I have used boolean. Run as Java application. Let's see. Line equal to file dot read line. This line is not an empty, then don't want to use. Okay. Now run. Guys, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, each and every line it is going to print in the console. Okay, this is nothing but a reading. Okay, understanding?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
if it is empty means I am leaving that as a null value. Okay, if it is not an empty, that file means each and everything how to print. Okay, if it is an empty file means it is necessary to read.
No, sir.
Okay, if it is an empty file means then not at all required to read. Okay, if it is not an empty means then each and every line have to print in the console. Clear? Okay, to read the file we have used a file reader concept. Okay, for file reader concept we have to read one more method is there. What is that one? Buffered read.
Reader.
Okay, in buffer reader I have to read each and every line. Okay, if the file is empty, then don't want to read anything. Clear? If it is not an empty, each and everything have to print in the console. Clear? Write it down. Once done, please let me know.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Any more doubts, guys? Oh,
No, sir.
any questions? No?
No, sir.
From next week onwards, I will start the framework, guys. Okay, just please practice. Okay, if you have any questions or any doubts, okay, I will sort it out. Okay,
Okay,
clear?
sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Chalo. Bye bye. Enjoy.